You welcome U.S. coins 1943-1982 United States quarter. Some of these quarters have turned out to be worth an astonishing amount of money, and by the end of this video, you'll find out exactly why one of them sold for a jaw-dropping sum. Before you go checking every quarter in your pocket, let's take a closer look at what makes the 1982 quarter so special. This quarter was minted during a time of significant changes in U.S. coinage. The United States Mint stopped producing proof sets for circulation in 1982, which meant that many coins from that year were struck in lower quality and with fewer pristine examples surviving. Additionally, the minting process resulted in a variety of errors and unique characteristics that make some of these quarters incredibly valuable to collectors. So, what exactly should you be looking for? The most valuable 1982 quarters have specific minting errors or rare features that set them apart. Some were struck on the wrong type of planchet, leading to noticeable differences in weight and appearance. Others have doubling in the lettering or date, which makes them highly desirable. And then there are those quarters that were struck with an uncirculated finish, making them exceptionally rare in top condition. Now, let's talk about what makes one of these quarters truly valuable. The condition of the coin plays a massive role in determining its worth. Collectors and numismatists look for coins that are in near-perfect condition with minimal wear, crisp details, and a strong strike. If your 1982 quarter has any of the rare errors we mentioned and is in excellent condition, it could be worth far more than its face value. But here's the real reason why coin collectors are on the hunt for this special quarter. One particular 1982 quarter, due to its rarity and condition, has been sold for an unbelievable $74,000. Yes, you heard that right. A simple 25-cent coin, when found in the right condition and with the right characteristics, can be worth an absolute fortune. So, the next time you come across a 1982 quarter, take a moment to inspect it carefully. You never know, you could be holding a small piece of history that's worth a life-changing amount of money. If you found this video helpful and want to see more amazing coin discoveries, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy coin hunting! Top 2 1980 United States quarter. Is it worth a fortune? Imagine finding an ordinary-looking quarter in your pocket, only to discover it's worth thousands of dollars. Sounds unbelievable, right? But in the world of coin collecting, rare coins are hidden in plain sight, and today, we're talking about the 1980 United States quarter, one of the most sought-after coins by collectors. Some of these quarters have sold for an astonishing amount of money, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why one of them reached an unbelievable price at auction. The 1980 quarter might look like any other coin, but not all of them are created equal. Several factors can make a simple 25-cent coin worth a fortune. The first thing collectors look for is the mint mark. This quarter was minted at 3 different locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. While most of them are common, certain variations, errors, and mint conditions can dramatically increase their value. One of the biggest reasons the 1980 quarter can be valuable is minting errors. Some quarters were struck on the wrong type of planchet, meaning they have different weight, metal content, or unusual features. Others have misprints, doubling in the lettering or numbers, or even off-center strikes, all of which make them incredibly desirable for collectors. These small imperfections can turn a simple coin into a rare and expensive treasure, but that's not all. The condition of the coin plays a crucial role in its value. Coins that have been well preserved, with sharp details and no significant signs of wear, can be worth much more than those that have been heavily circulated. In the world of coin collecting, this is called mint state, and a high-grade 1980 quarter in mint condition can be worth a surprising amount of money. Some quarters from this year were also struck with a special proof finish, mainly produced for collectors. These proof coins have a mirror-like surface and are made with extra precision. If you happen to find a 1980 quarter in proof condition, it could be worth significantly more than a regular circulated coin. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: how much money can a 1980 quarter be worth? While most of them are still worth just 25 cents, rare variations and high-grade versions can sell for impressive amounts. In fact, One particularly rare and well-preserved 1980 quarter was sold for an unbelievable $70,000. Yes, you heard that right. A single 25-cent coin turned into a life-changing amount of money. So, before you spend that old quarter, take a moment to examine it. Look for mint marks, errors, or signs that it might be in exceptional condition. You never know, one simple quarter could be hiding a small fortune. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about rare and valuable coins, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Happy coin hunting! Top 3 1986 United States Quarter, a hidden treasure worth a fortune. Have you ever checked the change in your pocket and wondered if one of those coins could be worth more than just a few cents? Well, today, we're talking about a coin that might just be hiding in plain sight, the 1986 United States Quarter. Some of these quarters have turned out to be worth a shocking amount of money, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why one of them sold for an incredible price. At first glance, the 1986 quarter might seem like an ordinary coin. It was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Most of these quarters are still only worth 25 cents, but a few rare ones stand out from the rest. These valuable quarters have specific characteristics that make collectors eager to pay thousands for them. One of the biggest factors that determine a coin's value is its condition. Coins that are in near-perfect condition, also known as mint state, are far more desirable to collectors than those that show signs of wear. A 1986 quarter that has remained untouched and preserved over the years can be worth significantly more than one that has been in circulation. But what truly makes some 1986 quarters so valuable are the errors and rare variations. Some quarters from this year were struck with mistakes that make them unique. These errors can include off-center strikes, double dies, or coins that were mistakenly stamped on the wrong type of metal planchet. These small details may not be obvious to the untrained eye, but to collectors, they can mean the difference between a regular quarter and a valuable treasure. Another factor that affects value is the mint mark. The San Francisco Mint produced proof quarters in 1986, which were specially made for collectors. These proof coins have a mirror-like surface and sharp details, making them much rarer than regular quarters. If you happen to have a 1986 quarter with a proof finish, it could be worth significantly more than its face value. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: just how much can a rare 1986 quarter be worth? While most of these coins are still in everyday circulation and worth only 25 cents, a few rare and well-preserved quarters have sold for jaw-dropping prices. In fact, one exceptional 1986 quarter, due to its rarity and condition, was sold for an astounding $73,000. So, the next time you get a handful of change, take a closer look. You never know when you might be holding a small fortune in your hand. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about valuable coins, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Who knows? Your next quarter could be worth thousands. Happy coin hunting! Top 5 1990 United States Quarter, a rare coin worth a fortune. What if I told you that a simple 25-cent coin in your pocket could actually be worth thousands of dollars? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, today, we're talking about the 1990 United States Quarter, a coin that might seem ordinary but could be worth a life-changing amount of money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and why one of these quarters was sold for an absolutely mind-blowing price. The 1990 quarter was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Like most quarters, it features the familiar image of George Washington on the front and an eagle on the back. While millions of these coins were produced, only a select few are considered extremely valuable due to their condition, rare errors, and special minting details. These are the coins that collectors will pay thousands to add to their collections. One of the biggest factors that determine a quarter's value is its condition. A coin that has remained in near-perfect condition, with no scratches, marks, or signs of wear, is far more valuable than one that has been used in everyday transactions. In the world of coin collecting, this is known as mint state, and collectors are always on the lookout for high-grade 1990 quarters. But what really makes some 1990 quarters worth a fortune are minting errors. Errors happen when something goes wrong during the coin production process, making certain coins unique and rare. Some of the most valuable errors include double die strikes, off-center strikes, and coins that were mistakenly stamped on the wrong type of metal planchet. These small but rare imperfections make the coin highly desirable to collectors, significantly increasing its value. Another important factor is the mint mark. The San Francisco Mint produced proof quarters in 1990, which were made specifically for collectors. These proof coins have a mirror-like finish and extra detail. Unlike regular quarters, they were never meant for circulation, and if you find a 1990 proof quarter in perfect condition, it could be worth far more than face value. Now, here's the most exciting part: just how much can a rare 1990 quarter be worth? While most of them are still only worth 25 cents, certain rare variations, error coins, and high-grade examples have sold for astonishing amounts. In fact, one particularly rare and well-preserved 1990 quarter was sold for an unbelievable $75,000. So, before you spend that next quarter, take a closer look. You never know, you could be holding a rare and valuable coin without even realizing it. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about valuable coins, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who knows? Your next quarter could be the one that changes your life. Happy coin hunting! Top 6 1996 United States quarter. Could you have one worth a fortune? Have you ever wondered if the spare change in your pocket might be worth more than you think? Well, you might want to take a closer look at your quarters, because today, we're talking about the 1996 United States quarter, a coin that could be hiding in plain sight but might actually be worth an unbelievable amount of money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for and why one of these quarters was sold for a truly shocking price. The 1996 quarter is one of the more common coins in circulation, minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. While most of these coins are only worth their face value, there are a few that have become extremely valuable due to their rarity, condition, and unique errors. It's these rare coins that collectors are willing to pay thousands of dollars to get their hands on. One of the biggest factors that can make a 1996 quarter valuable is its condition. The highest grade coins, known as mint state or uncirculated quarters, are those that have remained in pristine condition since they were minted. They have sharp details, no scratches, and a flawless surface. Coins in this condition are far more valuable than those that have been used in everyday transactions, but what truly makes some 1996 quarters worth an incredible amount of money are the minting errors. These are mistakes made during the production of the coin, and they can make certain quarters incredibly rare. Some of the most valuable errors include double die strikes, off-center strikes, and coins that were mistakenly stamped on the wrong type of metal. If you come across a quarter that looks different from the others, perhaps with an unusual design, misplaced lettering, or extra markings, it might just be one of these rare error coins. Another important detail to look for is the mint mark. The San Francisco Mint produced proof quarters in 1996, which were specifically made for collectors. These proof coins have a mirror-like finish and sharper details than regular quarters. If you find a 1996 proof quarter in perfect condition, it could be worth far more than face value. Now, the moment you've been waiting for: just how much can a rare 1996 quarter be worth? While most of these coins are still worth only 25 cents, certain rare variations and error coins have sold for astonishing prices at auctions. In fact, one particularly rare and well-preserved 1996 quarter was sold for an unbelievable $72,000. So, before you spend that next quarter, take a closer look. You never know, you could be holding a small fortune in your hands without even realizing it. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about valuable coins, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who knows? Your next quarter might just change your life. Happy coin hunting!